So welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. As we talked to you about, we were going to be showing you the different stages of putting up the structure at the venue. And today I'm here with Mensur from Chattanooga. Hey Mensur.
Hey, nice to meet you again.
Again, yes. Nice to meet you again. So we're out here, you're putting up the decking for the tent, the structure that hopefully might start going up tomorrow or Friday. So tell me a little bit about this flooring that you chose, or this decking. What kind of decking is it?
We had this floor for about few years. It's called it's made by Biljax. It's TF 2100, and it's really universal floor, and it integrates with the structure. So that was one of the reasons we went with it. And it's really heavy duty, easy to install, and for this particular project, we're using 2 and 3 meters, but technically it's 5 meter squares once you get that done. So this whole project is 25 meter wide by 50 meters long, and we are like 30 some inches on this side, and we're over 7 feet on the bottom side, and it's pretty good floor. And for this kind of projects, I don't think you can use anything else. Just the sheer weight, what we're trying to put on here and all that.
Yeah.
And the main thing is integrates with the floor. The tin actually integrates. So the tin is part of the floor. So it's, at the end of the day, it's all one unit.
Okay.
And it's all clean. There's no extra holes being drilled through the floor. Everything's part of the frame. So it's really, really heavy duty.
Nice.
And then we stake everything down to the ground. So it's actually, we're transferring all the way down.
So I know we kind of jumped the gun or missed a couple of days, but when you first get to a job site, you probably were here, I know you were here a few months ago or a month ago. What did you actually do at that time?
So we came over here, and then we scoped the location where it's going to go, and then we used a laser to shoot the grates. So once you shoot your grates, then you go back home, and then you kind of put everything in the software, and then that tells you the lake heights and all the components that you might need to bring it with you.
Okay, and so then when you showed up to the job site yesterday, what was the first thing that you guys
So first thing we went back to those same points where we came a few months ago, and we were able to find those points, and then we were like within an inches of those points, and then we laid everything out, and that was it.
All right. So I understand that we're going to have a lull in the middle of this thing to help raise the arches. So one of the tricks, which I had no idea about, I think it's absolutely crazy, that you actually then, after putting this all together, you're going to take the midsection out?
Yeah, we're going to take one 3 meter section out, which is roughly 10 feet,
okay.
And then we'll be able to drive a lull in the middle.
Okay.
And then as we build each section, we're going to continue adding the flooring. So as we build each arch, we'll add a little bit of flooring, and then we'll continue. But right now, we're going to build everything, stake it down so it doesn't move on us.
Yeah.
And then as we go, we're going to remove each section and continue.
All right, cool.
That's the beauty of it.
Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. So again, thanks for joining us for Tuesday Tent Talk. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Reach out to us at ttt@wemaketents.com. And Mensur, thank you so much for coming out.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I'm sure you'll have some more cameos in here.
Yeah, we'll have some great photos after all this is said and done. So
yeah.
we'll be able to share it later.
All right, sounds good. Well,
Cool.
Thanks again.
All right, well, thank y'all.
Have a great day.
Bye.